Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a lip swatch video. You would have seen from the thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get into the video. You guys are obsessed. I think everybody is obsessed with Etude House lip tints, and it was one of my most favorite videos of all my videos, and I decided to go with a lip swatch video again. So these are the glowy tints we're going to talk about in this video today. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It would be of great help. So without further ado, let's get into the video. These are the new tints I've got from Etude House, and I'm gonna swatch this. These are called the Etude Over Glowy Tint, and I got them in 3 shades. The shade numbers are 03, 05 and 06. So let me swatch 03, and this is called Apple Red number 3. The packaging looks like this. It's super beautiful. Unlike the other tints of Etude House, this one's a little bit more thicker and a lot of glossy. It resembles more like the Rome and brand lip tint. So this is how it looks like. So gorgeous. And when you open it up, you have this bright red lip tint. So I'm gonna try it on my lips. Yeah, it does show up on my lip. It's not very glossy, it's just slightly glossy. I expected it to be much more glossier. Very hydrating. This can be sheer and you can build up also. As you see, the color keeps building up. This is 2 layers of the lip tint. So this is the shade Apple Red. So I'm gonna wipe this off to see if it tints. Yeah, very slight tint, not like the other Etude House. It just tints very slightly. But I'm happy that it shows on my dark pigmented lips, because most of the lip tints from Korea, they don't show up and they're meant for light pink and rosy lips. So the next shade is Bambi Cherry, and this is number 5. This is a slight pink. So basically the colors are given at the bottom and it's all same. I love the packaging. They feel very heavy and they look very nice. And also, if you miss the outer packaging, you still have the color, so you can differentiate each tube with the colors at the bottom. That's a very nice thing. And this is how this one looks like, Bambi Cherry. Can you see? It's a pink, raspberry kind of pink. Let me see how it comes on my lips. It kind of looks like a popsicle pink, like I ate a popsicle and my lips are tinted with color. So this basically, like the name says, it kind of looks like cherry. It's a cherry pink. I love this color on me. This is Bambi Cherry. Looks super juicy and nice. I love this color. Bambi Cherry is much more glossier than the Apple Red. As you see, it's super juicy and looks very nice on my skin tone. So far this is my favorite, number 5. So as you see, I love the tint. The color complements my skin tone. The second one is my absolute favorite. Now let's try the last one left. So far it's not tinted very it's not very tinting. I think you have to leave a little longer for it to actually tint like how you get tinted by the other Etude House tints. This one is like a gloss with a slight tint. So the next shade I'm gonna swatch is number 6. It's called Pink Stone. So Pink Stone is a slight mauve. It's kind of a deeper pink with a mauve tint. So even if it was to be kept on the table like this, like even if you keep it in your drawer or something, you can still see. So this is number 3, this is number 5, and this is number 6. So there is difference in the tube. So now let's watch the number 6 pink stone. This looks a little bit cool toned purplish pink, and you see it is super cool toned. Hope it works for me. Also, these lip tints are, they remind me so much of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip tint I had. They are my most favorite lip tints. That's the first lip tint I fell in love with. It just super cooling on your lips, and also it tints and it does show on your pigmented lips. So these remind me of that, and I really miss it. They have been discontinued, and I had the shade called Rosewood, which was my absolute favorite. I just wore it every single day, and it got over, and I still have the tube because I can't let it go. These remind me very much of it, except for the thing that they don't have the shades of what Anastasia Beverly Hills had. Sorry, they feel so similar. These are very cooling on the lips. It's like as if I left it on a refrigerator. It's not that, maybe I'm exaggerating, it's not that cold, but generally it's cold when it touches your lips, the wand I mean, and it just has that nice feeling on your lips, and also super glossy and super juicy. I really like all the colors. Finally, Etude House is making products that does work for Indian skin tone, which I really have to appreciate, because I used to get a lot of comments in my lip tint swatch videos that I have a pigmented lip and it doesn't work for me. And yeah, it's partially true that many of the products doesn't work, but there are tints that work fine for me, and I try to make it work. These are really cute. These are my current favorite. Like, I am obsessed with all the colors. 5 and 6 are my absolute favorite. So anyone my skin tone or deeper can try 5 and 6. So yeah, hope you'll enjoy this video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.